Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install mods in Schedule 1 in a quick and easy way. Whether you want to enhance your gameplay, increase your character speed or add new features, mods can take your experience to the next level. So let's get started. Step 1 is downloading the Melon Loader. So what you need to do is go to the video description and there you will find a link to this website. Then you will be redirected to Melon Loader. And here is where we're going to download the Melon Loader. So go to that website and next to that you need to check the requirements. Make sure your Microsoft Visual C is updated. Otherwise this extension won't work for your game. So make sure it is installed, and if it is not installed you can download it over here. And once you have done that, we need to download the Melon Loader installer. So we will click on that. Now it will be installed, and as you can see it is done. So we will open that, and what you need to do is go to the File Explorer and click on the downloaded Melon Loader. And once you have opened that, this screen will be opened. And as you can see, we now need to install the Melon Loader into our game. So what we need to do is basically select our game, and that is the Schedule 1. And as you can see, I have already downloaded it and installed it into my game. But if your game is not showing up in this list, then you can add the game also on a manually way. And I will show you guys how to do that. So what you need to do is click on Add Game Manually, and this screen will be opened. Now what they ask is basically to search for your game file location, and since this is a Steam game it is very easy to find that location. What you need to do is open your Steam application, then go to the game, right click on it and then go to Manage and then Browse Local Files. So click on that. Now you have found the game file location, and what you can do is select this path and copy it, and after that you can go to the Melon Loader and just paste the path over here in this box. And as you can see, we can select it now, and the only thing you have to do is select the .exe file, and that is this one, and then you can open it. And as you can see, this is already installed in my Melon Loader, but if it was not here in the list for you, then you can do it this way. So once you have installed the Melon Loader into your game, then you can simply click on OK and then close this window. The next step is to create a mods folder. As you can see, I have already created a mods folder, and this one is empty, but we are going to fill that up soon. So you need to create a new folder by clicking on Press New and then Folder, and then call it Mods, as I have done with my own folder over here. So once you have done that, we can go to the next step, and that is downloading and installing mods. So to download and install mods, you need to visit the Nexus Mods website. And I will also leave the link in the description down below so you can easily find it. And once you are there, you need to create a new free account by clicking on Register. And as you can see, you can now register for this website. So once you have created a new account, log into it, and we are going to this site, the nexusmods.com. And as you can see, I have already searched up the game Schedule 1. If you click the link in the description, you will be automatically redirected to this page, and we can search for some interesting mods to add to our game. So what we will do now is basically scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, we can select different options. My preference is to use the trending option, then you can see what is trending at the moment. And for example, we can use this increased stack limit mod. So we will go to that mod, click on it, and you can very easily download this mod by just clicking on the manual tab. But before we will download it, we will need to see the requirements down below to see if this requirement is already installed into our game. And as you can see, the requirement of this mod is the Melon Loader we just installed. So that is okay. Now we can manually download this mod, and that is very easy. As you can see, this mod requires additional files, but that we have already installed. So you can skip that, and after that just click on download, and now you will see that it is a slow download, so that is no problem. But we will download it this way, and now it is downloaded. So once you have downloaded the mod, you need to use WinRAR or another zip file extractor to open this file. And once you have extracted this file, you can extract it into our main downloads. That is no problem because we are going to move that. So the next step is to find this DLL file as we have downloaded just, and just basically copy it. So we will copy, and then we need to open our game file location. So that is what we can do through the Steam app. So we will open the Steam application and right click again on the game, browse local files, and you will be in the game files. Now we are going to the mods folder, and the next step is just to paste this file into the mods folder. And as you can see, we have now added successfully this mod into our mods folder. The last step is of course open our Steam, and now we can play the game to start this game with this mod installed into our game. As you can see, if I click the play button, this melon loader will load up, and now it is installing the mod into our game. So once this is done, the game will be started and we are able to play this game with the new mod installed into our game files. And that is basically how you install and download mods for Shadow 1. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!